Is your home AC not working? Before calling a technician, check these simple problems that homeowners can safely troubleshoot. First, check your thermostat. Make sure it is set to cooling, the temperature is lower, and the batteries work. Next, check your electrical panel for a tripped AC breaker. Reset it once, but repeated trips need professional attention. A clogged air filter restricts airflow and can reduce cooling performance. Remove it and check whether dirt is blocking airflow. Walk through your home and make sure supply vents are open and unobstructed by furniture, curtains, or household items outside. Check whether leaves, grass, or debris surround the condenser. Clear visible debris while keeping your hands away from moving parts. Turn cooling on and observe the system. If the indoor fan runs but the outdoor unit stays silent, investigate further. Electrical components, capacitors, motors, and refrigerant systems can be dangerous. Do not open panels or attempt repairs beyond basic checks. If the thermostat breaker, filter vents, and outdoor area look normal, schedule professional service and describe exactly what happened. Did these checks help fix your AC? Like, subscribe, comment your symptoms below, and share this guide with another homeowner.